Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on my Robinhood portfolio. So I want to make a quick little video just to show you guys my update on how I'm doing on my portfolio. So let's dive right into it really quickly. So currently I have $14,860.83. We are in trading hours. The market is open. Here in San Diego, the market opens at 6:30 a.m. and closes at 1. And then we do have after hours of obviously if you're in Robinhood, you have till 3 p.m. So currently we're in the green and we're doing very well. If we go to one day, for today, I'm up $233. That's a 1.59% increase. For a week, we are up 536 and 12 cents. That's a 3.74%. If you go back, back 1 month, we're up almost shy of 4%, $561. 3 months, 567, and then 1 year, 1,354. And then if you go all time, I'm up 27%. That's $3,216.80. If you've seen my previous videos, obviously you're gonna notice that I do have a little bit less money. The reason for that is because I have been transferring money to my bank account. So I kind of been taking the money that I'm not using right now, sending it to my bank account, and then that way I could kind of see where I'm at and how much money I have on my Robinhood portfolio. I mean, you could still know by the balance that you have in the account right here. Let me show you. So it'll tell you on account summary. So I mean, it'll show you my buying power. But I thought it was just easier for me, just to transfer it and then just transfer over back to Robinhood as I need it and I'm using it. Um, I did get paid dividends this week. It's been a nice dividend at least this month. So we go back to the history right here. You're gonna see we do have a couple that are pending. 36 cents for EAD, AWP, $5.35, and then that's the I withdrew to my bank account $2,500, and then Verizon. We're still pending a dividend of $6.63, and then right on the left corner, on the bottom of the ticker symbol, then you got the date which they're going to deposit those dividends. February 21st. I believe today's the 22nd. I did get paid from PSEC $60.96. That's my largest dividend payment. At the moment, I have 1,016 at least. For this payment, I currently I do have more shares now. So for a total of 1696. So, and then I did get paid a couple dividend more payments. APLE, that's a Apple Hospitality REIT, and then $2.60. Or Realty Income 361, and then Apple $1.46. That's for 2 shares. And then so on. As you can see, I try to do more dividend investing, and then little by little, obviously, those dividend payments become larger and larger with time. Hopefully, as long as the company does not slash their or decrease their dividend payments, which has happened in the past before with Prospect Capital. But I did not sell. I kept on buying more, and eventually, I mean, PSEC is it's doing pretty good. Obviously, I would say I would consider it a higher risk investment, because you never know, because for example, this company pays over, I would say, about 90% of its profits in dividend investments, just because they do loans, and so they use your money to, and as a result, they're by law they have to pay off investors most of what they make. So if, for example, the economy is not doing very well, people aren't paying their loans, and so that's obviously gonna hurt the company, because they're not gonna have the money to pay enough money to pay off the investors. And eventually what's going to happen, they're going to decrease its dividend payments, and it's going to affect the overall price of the stock. So that's something to keep in mind when you're doing, especially this type of investments. Always keep in mind the risk. Obviously, don't invest if you don't invest the money that you know. Invest the money you know you're not gonna need at the moment. Um, Try to be considerate of that. Obviously, if you owe money, try to pay off your loans. It's always better because you're paying interest on that. And if you're paying interest on stuff and money or loans that you owe, then it kind of defeats the purpose of investing. Um, so currently, as you could see, we're in the green. The only red one at the moment, ACBE, Aurora Cannabis. I bought this pretty recently. I'm unfortunately down. I'm pretty much keeping this one longer term. I think it has potential. Um, they did report earnings. I think I mean minus 18. I think they did pretty about the same. It's pretty much. Um, so we'll see what happens with this particular stock. I think it has upside in the future. We'll see. It's my only the like pretty much like uh, marijuana stock. So just a little run through, and then my total return, just so you guys can see how much I have. So Amazon, I'm down $66. ACB down $4.15. PSEC down 240. HTGC, I'm up 29. Verizon 56.60. Or Realty Income, I'm up 168. Apple REIT, I have 53 minus 53. EAD down $3.66. AWP, I'm down $59. PayPal, I'm up 654. Apple, I'm up 170. Verizon, I'm up $8.14. Switch, I'm down $29.94. CHK, I'm up $2.62. Groupon, $3.38, and Sprint, $12.96. And I do have cryptocurrency. I have Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Down on both. On one $6, and then on Dogecoin $266. Those I'm keeping for the longer term. Hopefully they do start getting popular again. And so we'll see what happens with them. If they do go up, obviously, gonna be selling eventually. But at the moment, I'm gonna wait to see what happens. I mean, even if it stays, I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. It's more longer term, and it's more experimental to see, you know, what happens, and hopefully get lucky and be the next millionaire. Hopefully. So that's a little just we want to give you guys a quick run through of my account, see how I'm doing, and we'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you guys.